Hi guys, here's our EZ Pro machine. You can use it to add foil to injection moulding or 3D printed designs or raised lettering. So here we've got a design that we haven't foiled just yet. And then just here we do have a design that we have already foiled. And just to show you what it looks like. So we have printed these using a 3D printer. We do have these coming into stock very soon, so please watch this space. In this example, I'm going to show you adding colour to a 3D printed item. So I'm going to place my foil over the top of the 3D printed item. There you go. So if you want a very versatile machine, then check out the EZ Pro. In this example, I'm going to show you foiling in two different colours. So here I've just used a low tack tape for the red foil, just to keep it in place, as I want the butterfly underneath to be in a different colour. And then I've got a gold foil for the big design of the gift tag. So first of all, I'm going to foil the gift tag design first. So I'll place my foil over the top, and I'm going to foil. And then I'm going to turn it around to then stamp the red foil. And peel the foil away. And there you go.